Can you tell us a little bit more about what you think that you learned in the AFI program? What was beneficial? Would you recommend it to other people?
Totally. I really loved the program at AFI. I liked the model because it was less than the other film schools, as I've heard anyway. I only went to one, obviously, but AFI is different from the other film schools in that it has a conservatory model. So that means as a screenwriter, I was fortunate enough to be forced to work with the other creative leads. So director, producer, production designer, editor, and cinematographer. And so the first year you do 3 short films and you get to see everything from the words you put down on the page to the final edit. And so just that was one thing that was really helpful to me, was seeing how it's actually made into a movie, even though they were just short. And then the thing at the AFI that leveled me up as a writer was actually the acting seminar. We had 2 seminars where they took us through the same things that actors do when they're learning their craft, learning how to bring emotion, genuine emotion, out of their past experience and then in their imagination. And so realizing that as a screenwriter, that was my job, was to create a scene that had so much coming into it that the actors could then like springboard off of and do their thing. That made me, it made me 3 times the writer I was before that. So,
wow, so you'd recommend that writers take an acting class?
If you take an acting class and really really give yourself over to it as a writer, the difference in your writing will be immediately noticeable, both in the way you approach a scene and then what you're trying to accomplish within the scene. So I would absolutely recommend that writers take an acting class.